In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a welcome email in Mailchimp. We'll start right from the dashboard and move smoothly through selecting a layout and tailoring it to your brand. So, by the end, you'll have a polished welcome email ready to represent you. First, head to the left-hand pane and click Campaigns. From there, choose Email. Then look to the top right corner and select the Create Email button. This opens up your options for the type of email you're about to build. When prompted, select Regular Email. This keeps things straightforward and gives you full control over the content and design. Next, you'll be asked to choose how you want to start your design, either a basic layout or a fully designed template. Fully designed templates come with more styling out of the box, but for a clean, flexible canvas, pick a basic layout. For this walkthrough, choose the basic layout and then select the Welcome Email Basic Layout. This option gives you a simple structure tailored to greeting new subscribers without a lot of extra elements getting in the way. Once the layout opens, you can start editing it to fit your style and brand. Replace any placeholder logo or header image with your own branding and set colors and fonts that match your look. Keep your greeting warm and clear. A friendly headline like "Welcome aboard" or "Great to have you here" sets the tone. And the first paragraph is a perfect spot to thank your new subscriber for joining and to briefly explain what they can expect from your emails. Use concise, benefit-focused copy. If you offer a lead magnet or a quick start guide, mention it here and link to it. Add a single, prominent button for the main action you want readers to take, such as visiting your site, exploring your product, or updating their preferences. Make sure the button color contrasts with the background so it stands out. As you refine the content, keep accessibility in mind. Add descriptive alt text to images, avoid walls of text by using short paragraphs, and choose readable font sizes. Check spacing and alignment so everything feels balanced on both desktop and mobile. Keep image file sizes modest to help your email load quickly, and maintain a consistent voice that reflects your brand's personality. When the content feels right and the design matches your visual identity, you're set. You've successfully created a welcome email using Mailchimp's basic welcome layout, customized to your brand and goals. That's all. Simple, clean, and effective.